Hello, hi, welcome back. This is Alvin here again at the TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. This is part two of my weekly commentary on the currency market. In part two, I usually talk about some of the crosses, typically the euro crosses as a start. With that, I would love to share more of my views, and hopefully you find some of them very interesting. Okay. So very quickly, in front of me, I have Euro Pound. Euro Pound is in a major cross, major range. Price has been ranging here, and this is very interesting because price is the last one we spoke a few weeks ago. Sorry, when I say few weeks, I meant September 2020. Price was retested the high, the previous high of the range, and since then it's now moving downward. So I suspect price will be moving lower and lower, and my next target is going to be around the 0.31 level, which is the bottom of the range. So that's my target. Fairly bearish market, and with a long candlestick. This is very interesting. Cool. Moving on, I have Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is now retesting the previous low. I've been talking about this for weeks now. This is a head and shoulder pattern in the making, and looking at it, price is going to break lower, and it seems to me like it's going to be reversing out of this channel, this red color channel here. How do I know that, or what do I use as my clue? I use this big pin bar here that is an indication of a overshoot in either direction. Okay, so with the pin bar, I think price will go lower. With that, this is Euro Aussie. I also have EURKiwi, which is very similar to the Euro Aussie. Pattern slightly different. I have a head and shoulder, but it is a tilted head and shoulder, and but nonetheless, once it crosses below this 1.66 level, I will have a new low, and with a new low and a newer high, a reversal pattern is a confirmed pattern. However, we want to try to catch the reversal before the reversal is complete, and that's the point of watching price action. Having said that, this is EURKiwi. If you're in it, well done, and I look forward to seeing what it will do. Euro yen. Euro yen is still looking at the bigger picture. It is in a consolidation pattern. Having said that, price is now looking to move higher. Now this candlestick is very interesting because although it went above the 1.27 level, it doesn't give me a strong bullish indication. What is a bullish indication? So I think if you're looking at my mouse, this candlestick is one of the best. So this candlestick will be from the November 2020, where I've got the high and the close very near each other. So if I have to look at the numbers, so it closed around 124.45, and the high is 124.56. So that's what I mean by very strong bullish patterns. And actually, if you look back in the past, for example, this one is a good one. It will give me a continuation of a bullish market, right? Of course, there are many types of candlesticks, and this is one of it where price does not follow through. Although it is a high and where the high and the close is close, it didn't follow through. It does happen. Having said that, if you look at the long run, price continued to go higher. But yes, in where price action is very close to the levels, a horizontal or a horizontal or a trend line, I use price action a lot more. I use it as a stronger signal as opposed to when price action is in the middle of the range. All right, so that's just how I use candlesticks. Moving on, we've got AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the opposite of Euro Aussie. I think the pattern is similar. It is on a major reversal, and I expect price to be going to continue to go long. Right, that's my view, and price is moving higher, and that's really good, and that's about it. I'm not gonna go through the rest of it. Nothing exciting at the moment in my point of view. I'm just gonna leave it here. Okay, with that, thank you very much and happy trading.